Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for rocking with your girl. And if you are new, if this is your very first time here on this channel, let me know in the comments below how you found me. And on this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, some travel vlogs, and most importantly, some wig reviews. So if you like what you see at the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys soon. So today's unit was sent to me by Ebonyline. It is the Outre lace front wig in the style Kitana, and this is what the card looks like. It ranges on their website for about $24, and I got it in the color DR2730. So it does come in a bunch of other colors like chocolate, cinnamon spice, golden amber, golden peach, DR4 cream blonde, and there is an upcharge for specialty colors on their website, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, this card is short, sweet, and to the point. So Outre and Sensational have been coming out with like a lot of chocolate, auburn type of units, so that's why I picked this color. It's so pretty. I'm going to zoom in or get up so you guys can see. Look how pretty that is. So yes, it is like an ombre-ish, a little at the top, and yeah. So the silky units tend to be more on the shiny side, so what I do to take away some of that shine is I go in with some dry shampoo. This is actually my husband's because he has dreadlocks. But yes, I stole it for today, and I usually go in and just spray a little bit of it just so it doesn't look like Barbie doll hair. So the cap size of this unit is on the small spectrum. I am a 21 head size, so it is a little snug. I do have the two combs right here on the side, and I stuck them bad boys in because I would have had no choice but to glue this unit down. I really did not want to glue this unit down. It's a lace front, you know, with the middle part. It's not a 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. I don't feel like we should be gluing those. I don't feel like we should be gluing a regular lace front wig down, especially when there's not a lot of lace to begin with. So if you guys can see, I did go in with some of my Juvia's Place chocolate brown eyeshadow, and I just went in to make this part, to make the lace a little bit darker so it could blend in with my roots, just so you can't really see the lace. In a couple of my past videos when I had some color, I didn't darken the lace because I was being lazy. And I can see it on camera and I didn't like it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go in and darken the lace. That way I can give people a better idea of how to make it blend in with your scalp. I personally know that, duh, but you know, someone out there watching might not know. So yes, the cap size is small. It has 2 combs right here, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there. I didn't put the adjustable straps on at all. They are not on at all. So yes, this cap is really, really small. Keep that in mind. There is a lot of shedding with this unit. There's so much shedding, and it's not from when I cut the lace. I went through I went through earlier when I was done putting it on, and I just brushed it out. There was so much hair that was coming out. So yes, there is a lot of shedding. As far as tangling, it's a little, there's like a little bit of tangling, and again, I think it's because of the texture, because of the silky Barbie hair texture. We all know Barbie doll hair don't last, so yes, there is a little bit of tangling, so keep that in mind as well. But it is only $24, so this is a great beginner friendly wig for someone who does not really know how to put on lace front wigs. But overall, I do like the wavy pattern in here. This is cute. That's what's been coming out lately, the auburns, the chocolates, the crimps, and the waves. So that's the trend for this fall, but it's cute. Okay, so also everything I use as far as edge control brush, my edge control, the combs, the spray, all that is listed below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are looking for those products, they're listed below in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.